Hey everyone, welcome to beautiful Bullet Tree Village, Belize, where modern comfort meets nature and, of course, breathtaking views. Today, I'm excited to show you this brand new concrete reinforced home built in 2024, never occupied, and located less than 5 minutes away from downtown San Ignacio. This property sits on approximately 0.28 acres or just over 12,200 square feet of land. This gives you plenty of space, privacy, and fresh hillside air. As you can see, the home is slightly elevated, allowing you to enjoy panoramic views of San Ignacio and Santa Elena right from your property. One of my favorite features is this spacious veranda that you see here. This is the perfect place to enjoy your morning coffee, while watching that beautiful sunrise. You'll also hear and see incredible wildlife here, including parrots and toucans, the national bird of Belize, often visiting to the surrounding black pepper trees that this property has. As we step inside, you'll immediately notice the bright, open concept layout and the amount of natural light flowing throughout the home. The high strap ceilings create an eerie atmosphere, making the entire space feel even larger and more inviting. This home offers approximately 2,068 square feet with flexibility to arrange the layout however you like, whether you want a cozy family setup or a modern entertaining space. The open design gives you endless possibilities. The kitchen comes fully equipped with custom-built cupboards, a stylish sink, as you can see the glazed finished floors, and brand new appliances including a stove, a refrigerator, and a microwave. The home is concrete, reinforced, and built with insulated roofing for improved energy efficiency and comfort. In addition, every room includes a brand new air conditioning system already installed. Now entering the primary bedroom, this is a comfortable private retreat featuring its own ensuite bathroom and dual vanity sinks for added convenience. The second bedroom also offers great space, along with the built-in closet storage, while the guest bathroom includes a modern shower and another dual vanity setup as well. And here we have the loft space, one of the most unique parts of the home, to be honest. This area can be used for multiple things, such as a home office, a little reading nook, an entertainment area, extra sleeping space for guests, or just a fun spot for the kids. From up here, you'll get incredible views overlooking the entire house. I also wanted to mention that this property also includes a storage area. On the veranda, as you can see, there's an additional door which will lead you to the storage area where you have a fully functional water heater, making this home truly move-in ready. And outside, you'll also find mature trees including the famous gumbo limbo, plantain trees, which is great for that rice and beans meal, plus easy access to utilities including electricity, internet, and excellent water pressure. Property tax here are super low. We're talking about 30 Belize dollars a year or $15 US. The road access is gravel, and you're also very close to the Macal River and some of the open green spaces that this area provides. If you've you've been searching for a brand new modern home in Belize with views, privacy, nature, and close proximity to town, this property right here deserves your attention. My name is Kenroy Wagner with Remax Dorado, and for more information or to schedule a private viewing, feel free to contact me directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next property tour.